This 2022 Winnebago Minnie Winnie 22M is a Class C RV. It is located in Forest City, Iowa 50,436 and is offered for sale by Lichtsinn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 24 feet 0 inches in length and features a Lennon with medium gray softgoods and glazed drift interior, sleeps 6, Slideout, and 46 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, front entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom, U-shaped dinette. This 2022 Winnebago Minnie Winnie 22M is built on a Ford chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.